Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about an important warning from the U.S. Department of Homeland Security regarding STEM OPT employer fraud. If you are an international student, an employer, or working with the STEM OPT program, this is something you should pay close attention to. The Department of Homeland Security, through the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, has announced increased scrutiny of certain STEM OPT employment arrangements. The agency is now working with Homeland Security investigations and other federal partners to identify fraud tied to STEM OPT employment. According to DHS, special attention is being given to IT recruitment firms, consulting companies, and staffing agencies. These types of arrangements have long been viewed as higher risk under the STEM OPT framework. During recent investigations and site visits, DHS has identified several warning signs. These include business locations that are empty or not operational, companies operating from residential addresses without real employees, offshore payroll or HR operations with little U.S.-based oversight, employer representatives who cannot clearly explain their business, conflicting information about job duties, students listed as employees who never report to work, and disconnected business phone numbers. DHS is also urging international students and school officials to stay alert. Some warning signs include vague or incomplete employer websites, job duties that do not match what is listed on Form 19-183, work locations that seem inconsistent with official records, unknown companies hiring large numbers of students from a single school, and remote work arrangements handled mainly through messaging apps. For students, the risks can be serious. STEM OPT employment must be directly related to your field of study. Your employer must follow all program requirements, and your Form 19-183 must accurately reflect your actual work and training. If these requirements are not met, it can lead to termination of your CVIS record, loss of lawful status, and future immigration complications. Even unintentional involvement with a non-compliant employer can create serious issues. DHS is encouraging students and school officials to report suspicious activity through the ICE tip line, the SEVP Response Center, local Project Campus Sentinel agents, or the U.S. Department of Labor. For employers, this is the time to review compliance carefully. Employers should maintain a real business presence, provide structured and supervised training, ensure the training matches Form 19-183, and avoid arrangements that look like third-party placement without proper oversight. Employers should also expect increased site visits and audits. The bottom line is simple. DHS is increasing scrutiny of STEM OPT employment, and both students and employers need to be careful. Proper documentation, real supervision, and legitimate employment structures are more important than ever. At NPZ Law Group, we assist international students and employers with STEM OPT compliance, risk reduction, and responding to government inquiries. If you or your family members have questions about immigration and nationality law in the United States or Canada, please contact NPZ Law Group by email at info@visaserv.com or by phone at 551-291-1154 extension 104. You can also visit visaserv.com for more information. Thank you for listening.